Healthcare workers have seen the pandemic from a different point of view at the front line. In this new series, we take a closer look at the response at the Guam Memorial Hospital. Here's more. It was once known as a COVID hospital. Almost 2 years later, healthcare workers are still holding the line.
We continue to serve this island. We are exhausted. We do everything we can. We stretch every way we can. COVID has taught us that we have absolutely no limits. So we keep pushing for everybody in this community.
KUAM News goes behind the scenes at the Guam Memorial Hospital, where those limits continue to be tested. 9 weeks into the island's third surge, with triple-digit positives daily and more patients dead on arrival.
We've opened about 7 COVID care units throughout GMH or GMH facilities. We have opened new areas or transformed new areas, and this is a unit where we've mixed COVID and non-COVID patients. It used to be, when we weren't in a surge, it used to be just a cardiac unit.
You can feel the exhaustion, but also the courage and commitment to save lives.
We're taking care of some of the sickest patients on the island, and we just have to push through.
Sometimes pushing through a breaking point.
Staff here are really tired and burned out. Some are a little unhappy. It's sad to say, but this is where they're at. They're really tired. They're really burned out. They've exhausted a lot of themselves on the second wave, and then we recovered from the second wave, but getting hit again on third wave with far less help than the second wave, it really has took a toll on a lot of the nurses.
These nurses have been here from the start.
Some of our hardest days is we're doing everything that we can to help these patients, and when you're not seeing them get any better, despite all the treatment you're providing, all the proning, all the education, that it's just sad. And unfortunately with this third wave, we're seeing a lot of patients that they don't want help. They want to leave. They want to go home. And we're telling them, you're really sick. This is the only place where you can get your treatment. And even despite all the efforts you do, some of them still, they want to go home.
Today's story just touched the surface of what our frontliners at the Guam Memorial Hospital go through every single day.